Let's continue with figure eights. We've got 4 figure eights that we will cover. 2 will be horizontal figure eights on the floor, and 2 will be vertical figure eights on the wall. Let's start with the horizontal. Feet about hip width apart, knees soft, pelvis tucked under, rib cage lifted, shoulders back, and arms in second position. We're going to start with a slide. We've already learned this. Sliding side to side. Slide to the right, slide to the left. Good. Slide right, slide left. Now we're going to add a little twist as we slide. A twist as we slide. Slide with the twist. Now let's try it a little faster. And right and left. Good. Right, left. So a figure eight, like an infinity sign on the floor. You can take your finger and trace with your hips and visualize the image. It's right, it's left. Good. Now, just as we did the slides in the beginning, we used the shoulders as a focus point. I want you again to think about pushing your hips past your shoulders, past. Belly dance is about big movements and big hips, so show what you got. Push right, push left. Good. Upper body is maintaining center, so upper body's facing front. Arms will help with that. Be careful of this. Okay, this is not a true isolation. So I just want to see your beautiful hips. Nice. Weight to the right, weight to the left. Weight to the right, weight to the left. It's 1, it's 2, good. And 5, and 6. Last time, and release. Nice. Take a deep breath. Moving on, let's go into the reverse of this. Tuck it in, lift up, and roll. Now the knees are bent. Again, I want you to slide to the right and slide to the left. This figure eight is called the Turkish figure eight, and it's an inward figure eight. Now you're going to slide and scoop, slide and scoop. Weight to the back, scoop it forward. Weight to the back, scoop. Flat and scoop. Push back and scoop. So imagine your hips are an ice cream scooper and you're scooping ice cream. You're reaching past your shoulders. Good. Let's go a little faster. And Turkish, and Turkish. Now you're going to release on the ball of the foot. So naturally your body's going to want to come up on the ball. Nice. Good. Scoop. Maintain the upper body. Nice. Good. Scoop. Scoop. Good. Now we're going to add a little kick. Scoop and kick. Scoop and kick. Twist, kick. It's a release of the foot, just like that hip drop kick we did. Nice. Good. Scoop, kick. Scoop, kick. Twist it. Good. Twist. Turkish 8. Turkish 8. Turkish 8. Keep it going. 5. And 6, 7, and release. Nice. Deep breath up. Exhale. Good. Now, let's continue. Legs straighter, pelvis tucked in. Again, give me side to side. Now, Egyptian figure eight, twisting back, and twist, and twist. So this is our Egyptian figure eight. Both of these that we just completed are on the floor, meaning they're horizontal. Figure eight, Egyptian, Egyptian, hold it here. Now the Turkish, bend the knees. Come in. Now the Turkish 8, Turkish. 5 and 6. Now add a kick. Turkish kick, twist. Good. Once you advance, you can roll down the side of the body with a little undulation down the obliques. Good. And 5. Use those muscles. 6 and 7. Last time. And release. Deep breath up. Exhale out. Nice. Now let's go to vertical figure eights. We're going to start with the sway. This is an inward figure eight. Knees are bent, tucked under, lifted, rolled, and arms. Push the weight to the side. Scoop the hip up. Again, push the weight to the side. Scoop the hip up. So So you're going to imagine there's a marker or a piece of chalk right on your hip. And you're tracing a circle on the wall in front of you. Again, pushing your hip past your shoulder. Good. In. Push it out and in. Good. So make a full circle. Really work that hip. Circle it in. Last time. Let's go to the other side. Push out, bring it in. So now we're going to push off the floor. Flat foot, push up. Flat foot, releve. Good. Flat and in. We're using our obliques to tighten and to lift the hip and pull it in. So shorten and contract those obliques. Push, pull it in. Push, pull it in. Last time. Now let's put it together on the right and give me right and left and right and left. So we're putting it together, pulling in. Inward figure 8 on the wall in front. It's in and in. Good. Knees are bent. Push off the floor. Push. Pull it in. Last. 5, 6, 7, and release. Nice. Take a deep breath. All right, let's finish now with the last figure 8 we call the Maya. It is an outward vertical 8. Feet very close, knees very bent. 1 foot up on the ball in a high heel shoe. Pelvis in, this is very important. Chest up, shoulders back, and balance with the arms. We're going to lift the hip up into the rib cage. We're going to slide the hip out, past the shoulder, and release. Again. Pull it in, lift it up, push out, and release. So again, you're drawing a circle on the wall in front of you. The weight goes inside, lift up, weight goes outside, and release. Up and out, flat foot. So now the feet are toe, ball, heel. Toe, ball, heel. Good, let's speed it up a little bit. Good, reaching right. So think about pushing your weight out past your shoulder. Weight to the right and pull it in. Weight to the side and pull it in. Now your hip is going directly to the side, not on a diagonal forward and not to the back. So you have to envision that you're between a very narrow hallway and your hip can only move to the side laterally. Good, last time and release. Excellent, let's go to the other side. Reposition, bending, tucking, lifting, rolling, posture, left foot up on the ball, give me. Lift, push, release, pull it in. Weight to the side, lift, release. Good, so draw that circle on the mirror. All right, if it helps, use your finger and trace the wall. Reaching out, good. Up, out, good. Reaching with it, smooth it out. Reach, warm up that hip. Push your weight over to the left and pull it in. Push your weight over. Remember, only to the side, only to the side. Good. These take some time. Good. Last time. Now let's put it together on the right and left. Good. Now feel your hips. Literally hold your hips, not your waist, your hips. Reach. Good. Reach. Good. A little faster. And right, left, toe ball, heel, and reach. Good. Now holding the upper body. Only your hips are moving. Only the hips. Push, reach, pelvis in, good. Reach and reach, good. Push. Arms up, palms together. This will lengthen your spine and will give your pelvis a little bit more room to move. You can do it. Reach, girls. Reach. Good. Push. Push. Bring it down. 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 One more time. And hold. Now sway. Bring it in. 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 And hold. Now the Maya. Out. 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 Now the sway. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it here. Last time, Maya. And out, out, toe low ball heel. Good. Arms up, up, frame down, good. One more time. Let's do it. Up, up, and framing down. Last 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Take a deep breath. Good job. Exhale, and we have completed our figure eights.